Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this lesson, we will talk about computers. As we know, computers are an essential part of everyone's day-to-day lives, and are becoming more important at work. It would be almost impossible to work or even live without computers. Therefore, English language learners have to know how to talk about computers for both their personal and professional lives. In this lesson, we will cover these topics: parts of a computer and other related technologies, important verbs to talk about computers, common computer problems, professions related to computers. Let's start with the most important vocabulary and expressions in the computer technology field.
Desktop computer. A laptop. Tablet. MacBook. Notebook. Mainframe. Screen. Monitor. Keyboard. Mouse. Mousepad. Speaker. Microphone. Headset. Headphone. Webcam. Wires and cables. Memory and storage capacity. Hard disk. External hard drive. RAM, random access memory. ROM, read-only memory. Virtual memory. Cloud computing. Hardware. Software. Operating system. User interface. Platform. Database. Input. Output. Username. Password, keyword. Icon. Cursor. Menu bar. Motherboard. Settings. Applications. Browser. Internet Explorer. Social network. Web page. Website. Blog. Communication system. Windows. Microsoft Office. Digital device. Peripheral devices. Printer. Scanner. Battery. Charger. USB stick. Router. Modem. Wireless technology.
And here are some important verbs that are used to talk about computing activities.
Download.
To copy information from the internet to your computer.
Type.
To enter information via the keyboard.
Turn on, switch on.
To activate the computer when you want to use it.
Turn off, switch off, shut down.
To deactivate the computer when you are finished using it.
Plug in.
To connect your computer to a power source using the charger.
Unplug.
To disconnect your computer from a power source.
Upload.
To copy a document from your computer to the internet, such as email attachments.
Scan.
To put photos and documents on the computer using a scanner.
Scroll up, scroll down.
To move up and down the page, like when you're viewing a web page.
Surf.
To look for information on the internet, usually for fun or to relax.
Drag.
When you want to move something from one part of the screen to another, you need to drag it.
Click.
To use the mouse to select a document or image on the screen.
Double-click.
To hit the mouse twice. You often need to do this when you want to open a document.
Post.
To put a picture or comment on a blog or social network.
Comment on.
To write a reply to something you see on a blog or social networks.
Zoom in, zoom out.
When you want to make a picture bigger, you need to zoom in. When you want to make a picture smaller, you need to zoom out. After these useful background, we have to know that there is nothing worse than having a problem with the computer. It can be so stressful. So, let's learn some of the most common problems such as
Virus.
a virus is an enemy program that infects your computer and causes some faults.
Hacker.
People who create computer viruses.
Error message.
When you push the wrong button, sometimes the computer will send you an error message. This means that what you tried to do isn't possible.
Blank screen.
The computer is on, but the screen is blank. In this case, it is necessary to check that the monitor is plugged into a power and the connection between the monitor and computer is secure.
Windows won't boot.
If you have troubles booting Windows, then you may have to reinstall it with the window recovery risk.
Overheating.
Here, the computer's components may start to generate heat during operation. To avoid that, it is better to check the fan is working properly or turn the computer off to let it rest from time to time.
Frozen, freeze.
If you try to use too many applications at the same time, the computer might become frozen. This means you cannot use the mouse or type anything. Everything on the screen is stuck.
Run out of space.
If you download too many applications, you might not have enough memory. In this situation, we say that your computer is running out of space, which means there is no memory left.
Slow computer.
If your computer is slower than normal, you can clean the hard disk of unwanted files and install a firewall or antivirus program.
Spill water or other drinks.
To drop water or another drink by mistake. You should be careful if you drink things while you use the computer. Finally, here are some important professions and job titles related to computers. Are you familiar with these?
Computer technician, technical support technician.
A person who fixes technical problems with the computer.
Computer hardware engineer.
A computer hardware engineer is responsible for designing, developing, and testing computer components, such as circuit boards, routers, and memory devices.
Software developer.
A person who creates computer applications.
Programmer.
A person who designs operating systems and fixes them when they break.
Information technology, IT, architect.
A person who designs data communication networks.
Systems manager.
A system manager oversees and coordinates IT operations.
Database administrator.
A person who manages computer information, stores, order, and protects company data.
Network administrator.
A person who maintains the daily operations of computer networks.
Cloud computing engineer.
Cloud computing engineers define, design, build, and maintain systems and solutions leveraging systems and infrastructure.
Web designer.
A person who creates web pages.